Goggles on. Goggles on.
On. Goggles on.
That is a disqualification if you don't have them on.
Okay, you do that again, you're getting kicked out.
As you can tell, we are very clear on safety here. Look at that. Dude, Matt, it just sounds like it's like not even shooting.
That's two. That's two. Go.
Matt, are you hit?
Nope.
Oh.
Goggles on. Alright, my bad.
Hey, that's disqualification. Get out. Hey, that's your second warning. Get up. Hey, Matt. Matt. Matt.
What?
You lost your defender. He had his goggles off again.
Damn it, Jake. Shit.
Hey, Matt, you want me to jump in for him?
Yes, dude.
Hey, come.
Shit. Hurry up.
The beast. State for the camera, how many kills you got?
13 kills. Hey, what?
Is there any zoom on this?
Good.
I'm gonna get shot over here.
Yeah, you going in? Brian's still up there. He keeps doing it. He's a dumbass. You got like 1 kill. Damn it! I wish I was one of you. Can you get in here, Marcus?
Disqualified.
What'd you do?
Took my mask off twice. The second time was just wiping my nose, the sweat, because it was going in my nose. I gotta delete that.